Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the criminology profession in the Philippines, and that I will competently and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized criminologist. So help me God. Please put down your hands. By the authority vested in me with the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to the provision of Republic Act 8981, the PRC Modernization Act of 2000, and our Professional Regulatory Law, Republic Act 11131, otherwise known as the Philippine Criminology Profession Act of 2018, effective today, subject to your compliance to the requirements of the PRC regional offices where you are going to register. I now pronounce and declare you as registered criminologists. Congratulations!